Good morning to everyone. Last class we have discussed Unit 3 Accounts of Partnership Firms Fundamentals. In this unit we have learned meaning, definition and features of partnership, partnership deed, application of the provisions of the Indian Partnership Act 1932 in the absence of partnership deed, and methods of maintaining capital accounts of partners. Today, we are going to do sums from fixed capital method and fluctuating capital method. Let me read the question. Question number 1. Akash, Bala, Chandru and Daniel are partners in a firm. There is no partnership deed. How will you deal with the following items? If the partners did not make any agreement while start doing business, how we have to treat these following situations? Akash has contributed maximum capital. He demands interest on capital at 10% per annum. If there is no partnership deal, the provisions of the act will apply. Already we have learnt in the theory part, 5 rules will be applicable. If there is no partnership deed, no interest on capital to the partners, no interest on drawings, no remuneration to the partners, profits should be shared equally, and interest on loan 6% to be provided to the partner who has given loan to the business. These 5 rules will be applicable. So here Akash has contributed maximum capital. He demands interest on capital at 10% per annum. So according to Partnership Act, no interest will be provided to him. Bala has withdrawn 3,000 per month. Other partners asked Bala to pay interest on drawings 8% per annum to the firm, but Bala did not agree to it. Since there is no agreement, no interest on drawings will be charged to Bala. Akash demands the profits to be in the capital ratio, but others do not agree because Akash has contributed more capital than others. So he demands the share of profit in the capital ratio. So according to Partnership Act 1932, if there is no agreement, profit of the business should be shared equally, not based on capital ratio. Point number 4, Daniel demands salary at the rate of rupees 10,000 per month as he spends full time for the business. Since he is an active partner, he demands 10,000 per month. Since there is no agreement, he is not eligible to take salary from the business according to the Partnership Act. Loan advanced by Chandru to the firm is 50,000. He demands interest on loan at 10% per annum. So according to Partnership Act, interest on loan advanced by partner to the firm is to be allowed only at rate of 6% per annum, not more than that. Whereas Chandru is demanding 12% per annum. He is eligible to receive only 6% per annum who has given loan to the business. So let me see how to write the answer. So we have to show it as a theory. So point number 1, no interest on capital is payable to Akash. Then point number 2, no interest is chargeable on drawings made by the partner. That means Bala need not pay interest on drawings to the business. Point number 3, profit should be distributed equally, not based on capital ratio. Point number 4, Daniel is an active partner, so he demands 10,000 per month. He is not eligible to take salary, so no remuneration is payable to Daniel. Point number 5, Chandru gave loan to the business 50,000, so he is demanding 12% per annum rate of interest. Since there is no agreement, according to Partnership Act 1932, he is eligible to get only 6% per annum. So interest on loan is payable at 6% per annum. So we have to follow the Partnership Act 1932. That rule is applicable if they don't have any agreement before start doing business. Question number 2. From the following information, prepare capital accounts of partner Reuben and Derry when their capitals are fixed. If they are following fixed capital method, last class itself we have learned they are following fixed capital method, we have to prepare two accounts, capital account and current account. So capital is given for Reuben and Derry. Two partners are there. Current account shows balance, credit balance, especially given CR, credit balance. For Reuben 25,000, Derry 15,000. Additional capital introduced by both the partners. Drawings during this year by both the partners. Interest on drawings given. Share of profit, Reuben and Derry. Interest on capital by both the partners. Salary for Reuben nil, Derry alone 18,000. Commission, Reuben 12,000, Derry nil. So how to prepare answer for this question? They are following fixed capital method. So we have to prepare capital account and current account. Under capital account, we are going to show credit side, opening capital and additional capital. Debit side, only permanent withdrawn by the partners. Only these three things used to appear. Debit side, only one item, permanent withdrawn by the partners. Credit side, opening balance and additional capital. Let me see. Center of the page, write the heading, partners capital account. Here two partners are there. So create column for Reuben and Derry. Debit side, date particulars. First column for Reuben, second column Derry. Move on to credit side, date particulars Reuben and Derry. As per format, credit side, opening balance, how much they have introduced capital as on 1st April. Reuben 70,000, Derry 50,000. So 2018 April 1st by balance brought down. Beginning value of Reuben's capital account. So he introduced 70,000 as opening capital. Derry introduced 50,000. Then look at the third point, additional capital introduced. That also will be written this side, credit side. By bank account or cash account can be used. So Reuben 18,000 and Derry 16,000. Only these two things used to appear under credit side. Opening balance, opening capital and additional capital. Move on to debit side as per format, permanent withdrawn by the partners. Especially they have to given the question permanent withdrawn. Is it given in the question? No, simply drawings alone given. If you see the word permanent withdrawn, that alone will be appearing under debit side. In this sum, it is not given. So that's all. Credit side alone, two items. Debit side, nothing is given. As per format, nothing is given in the question. So totally, debit side for Reuben 88,000, Derry 66,000. So write the highest amount both the sides. Take the difference between these two sides will be written as year end 2018 March 31st to balance carry down. That means closing value of Reuben's capital shows 88,000 and Derry 66,000. So total 88, 66,000, 88,000, 66,000. So this like a ledger, this balance CD will be brought forward to the opposite side next year beginning. So this year closing balance will be the next year opening balance. So next line opposite side 2019, change the date and month April 1st. That CD will be written as this side opposite side by balance BD. Same amount 88,000 and 66,000. Just keep it in your mind. If the partners are maintaining fixed capital method, two accounts should be prepared, capital account and current account. Under capital account, credit side only two items. Opening capital and additional capital. Debit side permanent withdrawn by the partners. If it is not there, then close it. Then create partners current. So next step, partners current account. So go through the format, create column debit side, credit side for both the partners, Ruben and Derry. Look at the format. First one, balance BD. That means current account opening balance. It may show either debit balance or credit balance. In this question, particularly it is given CER. Inside the bracket it is given. Look at the question. So credit side we have to write by balance brought down. Beginning value of current account. Ruben's current account. Beginning value of Derry's current account. Both the partners current account shows credit balance. So it can be written credit side by balance BD, Ruben 25,000 and Derry 15,000. Then look at the format, interest on capital, by salary, by commission, by share of profit to be recorded under credit side of partner's current account. If it is a profit, to be recorded credit side. If it is a loss, it will be entered under debit side. So in this question, by profit and loss appropriation account, that means share of profit, that amount to be recorded credit side, Ruben 35,000, Derry 25,800. Then interest by interest on capital 3,500, 2,500. By salary for Ruben nil, Derry 18,000. By commission 12,000 for Ruben, nil for Derry. The amount which increase the partner's account to be recorded under credit side. The amount which decreases to be recorded under credit side. So, credit side, the amount which is increasing their account, we have recorded. Now move on to debit side as per format. To drawings, Ruben 10,000, Derry 6,000, interest on drawings 500, 300 for Derry. If it is share of loss is given, to be recorded in debit side. Now look at total it for Ruben 75,500 and also Derry 61,300. So credit side is more than the debit side. Write the highest total both the sides. Now 75,500 minus 10,500. The balance difference amount will be written as to balance CD for Ruben. So likewise for Derry total credit side 61,300. So 61,300 minus 6,300. So the difference between debit side and credit side for Derry is 55,000 to be written as to balance CD. So this CD will be brought forward to the next year opposite side as by balance BD for Ruben 65,000 and Derry 55,000. Just keep it in your mind. Current account may show either debit balance or credit balance. Depends upon the question. We should write balance BD. Then interest on capital, credit side. Salary, commission, share of profit. Then move on to debit side. Drawings, interest on drawings, share of loss. Either share of profit or share of loss will be given in the question. Clear? Read the next question. Arun and Selvam are partners who maintain their capital account under fixed capital method. So under fixed capital method means we have to prepare two accounts. Partners capital account and current account. From the following particulars, prepare capital accounts of partners. Capital, Arun and Selvam beginning. Opening capital is given. Current account balance also given. Arun 4,250 debit balance. So little differ from previous sum. Previous sum, both the partners current account shown credit balance. Whereas this sum, Arun's current account shows debit balance. Selvam's current account shows credit balance. Additional capital introduced by the partners. Arun nil, Selvam given. Withdrew for personal use. That means drawings. Interest on drawings, share of profit, interest on capital, salary, commission are given. So how to prepare capital account and current account of the partners? Let me see. By the heading, partner. By the heading, partners capital account, create column for Arun and Selvam, both the side, debit side and credit side. Just recall the format. Under fixed capital method, we have to prepare two accounts, capital account and current account. First one, credit side, two items to be recorded, opening capital and additional capital. So 2018 Jan 1, by balance brought down, beginning value of Arun's capital account, 2,20,000, 1,50,000. Additional capital by bank account, Arun has not introduced any additional capital, Selvam introduced 70,000. Only these two items to be recorded under credit side. Move on to debit side. According to the format, permanent withdrawn by the partners. Since it is not given in the question, so we have to skip that point. Now totally, that's all. Totally, debit side Arun got 2,20,000, Selvam 2,20,000. So write the highest total both the side. Then difference between the nothing is there. So the difference between these two sides will be written as to balance CD year end. So they have started January 1, then year closed on 31st December 2018. So this carry down will be brought forward to the opposite side next year beginning 2019 Jan 1 as by balance BD 2,20,000 for both the partners. Now, how to prepare current account of Arun and Selvam? Now, question number 4. From the following information, prepare capital accounts of partners Batmini and Batma when their capitals are fluctuating. If they are following fluctuating capital method, we are going to prepare only one account, capital account. Under this account itself, we are going to show opening capital, additional capital, all the adjustments like interest on capital, salary, commission, share of profit to be recorded under credit side. Then debit side, permanent withdrawn, drawings, interest on drawings, share of loss to be recorded under debit side. So let me see how to do this sum. Capital on 1st January, that means opening capital is given. Drawings, interest on drawings, share of profit, interest on capital, salary and commission for both the partners are given. So how to prepare answer for this sum under fluctuating capital method. So write the heading partners capital account. Create column for debit side and credit side for both the partners Batmini and Batma. Opening capital to be recorded credit side. By balance brought down 5 lakhs and 4 lakhs. Then share of profit will be written as by profit and loss appropriation account 52,000, 40,000. Then by interest on capital, just recall the format. Opening balance by balance brought down, additional capital, share of profit by interest on capital, salary, commission. These should be recorded under debit side. So by interest on capital 30,000 and 24,000. Salary account 45,000 for Batmini. For Batma nil. By commission account Batmini nil. Batma 21,000. So according to the format, to permanent withdrawn, to drawings and interest on drawings. So permanent withdrawn is not given. So to drawings Batmini and Batma, to interest on drawings 2,000 and 1,000. Now totally credit side is more than the debit side for both the partners. Batmini we got 6,27,000. Batma if we add all these things we got 4,85,000. So write the highest total both the side in the same line. Now take the difference between 6,27,000 minus 72,000. So we got the balance CD for Batmini 5,55,000. Now move on to Batma. Batma's total credit side total shows 4,85,000. Debit side total 41,000. So deducted 4,85,000 minus 41,000. So the difference between credit side and debit side is 4,44,000 to be recorded as to balance CD. So this CD brought forward to the opposite side. That means next year beginning by balance BD 5,55,000 and 4,44,000 for Batma. So write these four sums in your class of notebook. So remaining sums we will continue in the next class. Thank you.